are heading to the Adelaide Hills. Got Joe driving us today.
What's up, guys? Good afternoon.
And two boys in the background.
Hi!
So stay tuned and follow our day ahead. So we just arrived at the Mount Crawford forest. It's about an hour's drive from the centre of Adelaide. My peeps are behind me. We are going to go and explore this gorgeous scenery. It's nice and green, got a bit of rain, but it's nothing major. Gotta love this fresh air. So I'll show you guys around. Gorgeous trees. You guys found us a house, hey? We can camp out here tonight. Why not? Might see some animals, kangaroos around. There's our house for tonight. Does it have an entrance door?
It looks like it's someone else's house. Maybe they'll come back after. Yeah, the entrance here, but it looks like it's collapsed.
Whoa! Honestly, I was going to say don't fall, Joe.
Lucky.
Unlucky. You know what? It's slippery.
It is.
There's moisture around, even on the grass. So, and I was literally going to say don't fall.
Hey, could have been worse.
Take two.
Take two, here we go again.
Take two. Oh, well done. You got this. Whoa.
Made it.
You made it. Guys, did you see the pine cones?
Yeah.
There's a few on the floor. Did you find some?
Yeah.
Nice. There's some on the floor. Cool. Does it smell?
Yeah. Ooh, our chocolate is hard. I'm chuck another one.
Whoa, this is so slippery. You've got to be careful.
I know, I nearly fell off before. Is that an old tree? Yeah, I think so, yeah. It's an old tree. What sort? They look like cows. Must be a farm down that way.
Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching us.
Mom, that's the end of the radio.
We got some cows over here, guys. Look. Can't get close to it. There's a fence there. Just got some cows and some vacant land. Someone's little farm. Here's the forest.
You can touch the
Some kangaroos down there.
Walk straight down.
The kangaroos are running away.
What if we were waiting?
They're gone.
I mean, one of them is sitting down.
Just one is left. There they go, inside the bushes. Come back, guys. And the last one's gone as well.
They're pretty big.
Kangaroos, where'd you go?
I see them.
They're running away from us.
They run away. That's not nice.
Because we've seen the animal.
Yeah, we are. That's right.
Right.
There's two in the far distance.
Oh, they've gone. Too quick.
Maybe if we sneak up and we're quiet.
I don't think so. They saw us coming from miles away. I could go for a coffee, I reckon.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Nice warm coffee.
After the fresh air here.
Exactly. So we're heading back to the car now. Do you know a way back or what?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Let's see if we can get it right.
Oh, we should be fine. Let's go, guys.
Follow Elliot, eh?
Follow Dino.
You're the leader.
Take us back to the car.
Over there.
Yeah, you know where it is?
Yeah.
All right.
You have to go straight down.
We're heading south. Just straight, you reckon?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So much moisture in the timbers. It's so soft. Everything's just starting to rot. Look at that, just breaks.
We made it.
We're back.
We found our way.
Time to go get a coffee, eh?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Sounds good to me.
Coffee time.
Coffee.
Next stop.
So we've stopped at Birdwood. The kids got a sausage roll. Is that yummy?
Uh-huh.
And Dino got a sausage roll as well. Just waiting on our cappuccino.
Amen. What's that the bun very high?
Cute cafe.
Craving a coffee, eh?
Can't wait. Not busy, isn't it, this town?
It's nice, good. Perfect. Nice and relaxing.
Telephone box like we're in London.
You don't see any of them anymore, eh? On this side of the streets, really?
You don't.
Coffee's arrived.
Here's our cappuccino, time to enjoy.
Exactly. Nice to relax and have a coffee in the Adelaide Hills. Dina, what are you doing down there? Is that your seat?
Tastes good.
Nice.
Gotta love a good coffee.
You do. Coffee is king.